Thank you. Red flag warnings are in effect this morning. Wind gusts could reach up to 70 miles per hour in some areas, forcing planned power outages.
Finnstrom, she's in Burbank, but we want to begin our team coverage this morning with Kandiss Crone, who's been in Santa Clarita. Kandiss.
Yeah, Jess, I just spoke to a fire captain. He told me that his crews are going to be out patrolling some of the high-risk areas in this community this morning. The teams will gather here. Extra strike teams will be on deck here at Fire Station 150 in case there is a wind-driven fire today. Firefighters though started gearing up yesterday over in the Silverado Canyon last night, where the Orange County Fire Authority raised the red flag as a warning. Parts of the Southland could see Santa Ana winds up to 50 miles an hour. Strike teams from all over Orange County showed up for a briefing yesterday as well, along with dozens of engines, all ready for the wind event expected today. The combination of strong winds, low humidity, and warm temperatures means an increased risk for a wildfire, especially in the areas with thick, dry brush. An Orange County fire official told us they haven't beefed up staff like this since the Holy Fire last summer.
This is our first major wind event of the year, and our big concern is, because we did have a lot of rain last year, that all of our grasses are especially tall. And what it'll do is it'll get into the bigger fuels, the larger oaks and shrubs, and that's what drives these massive campaign fires that we're trying to avoid.
Another big concern today, power outages. It's all hands on deck at the SCE Command Center in Irwindale, as more than 173,000 customers across the Southland could lose power. Utility workers are closely monitoring the strength and location of the winds. They've got high-tech cameras and radar to determine if and when to shut off the power. And back out here live, emergency officials say if the power is shut off, they want to encourage families to have extra resources, an emergency kit, and a plan in place just in case. That's the latest in Santa Clarita. I'm Kandiss Crone. DeMarco and Jasmine, back to you.
All right, Kandiss, thank you. And we also want to point out that red flag parking restrictions are about to go into effect.
Yeah, let's go to CBS 2's Finnstrom live in Burbank this morning. Cara, what can you tell us?
Good morning, Jasmine. Well, the city of Los Angeles expected to put those parking restrictions into place later this morning, and we're talking about high-risk fire areas like the one right behind us here. You can see the K-rails that have been put up along this Burbank hillside. That's to hold back the fragile hillsides here in case of rain. There have been mudslides in this area before. These are areas that have been damaged by fire. I want to go to some video of the Latuna fire, which damaged spots in Burbank as well as in surrounding areas. Firefighters know some of these hillside communities are at greater risk for erratic wildfires when the winds kick up. They want to make sure cars don't block the only ways in and out, because that endangers not only the people living here, it also means firefighters just can't get in. So again, later today, red flag parking restrictions expected to go into effect, with cars ultimately towed if they need to be. At the same time, Caltrans is warning folks if high winds cause us to lose power, traffic signals could go out. So they are reminding drivers, if that happens, treat the signals like stop signs. Yesterday, we spoke with folks in Malibu about the precautions they've already taken at home with the fire season upon us.
We have water onto our roofs, we turn on the sprinklers. We have absolute water protection for our structures and so forth. We have water pumps from the ocean or from the spa that will fight the fires. We have 600 feet of fire hose.
They know the threat of these winds when you have dry brush. Malibu still recovering from the damages caused by the Woolsey fire. Back here live again, Jasmine, DeMarco. We expect to learn more about these precautionary parking restrictions at about 8 o'clock this morning, and we'll bring you updated information when we get it.